Hi, so today I'm going to do a quick unboxing from Natural Life. I've done one before and I'll link it in the description. And first up were these cute gel pens. It came in a pack of 3. One is for my daughter for Easter, one was for my sister for her birthday, and then one was for me to put on my table for craft shows. They were made of silicone, and then the flowers just like the fake flower. Not the most environmental thing, and I was disappointed this time with the amount of plastic and the wrapping because they normally didn't have that, and the only bags they had before were biodegradable. So that has changed and I didn't like it, but that's okay. They have mix and match all cotton sheets, and I got these on clearance, and this is the queen size fitted sheet, and then I got 2 pillowcases, and they were a steal of a deal. They are made in India, and they are, like I said, 100% cotton, which is wonderful. Again, didn't like the plastic bags on there. I feel like that was a little unnecessary, but that's okay. All in all, I do believe they are a very good company as far as the charity work that they do and how they help a lot of women and all around the world. I was disappointed to see that some of the mugs and things were made in China. That is also new. That hasn't been like that before. But I really love these sheets. They turned out really cute. Every time I wash them, they get even softer. And next is this sweet little cotton bandana. And that was actually for me. It was on clearance too, so it was also a really good deal. And it's pretty. I think it almost looks like Hungarian embroidery, which is my logo. I love the big red flowers because that's what reminds me of Hungarian embroidery the most. Super pretty. I like to braid my hair and then put that on top of my head to tie it on for like summertime when it's really hot and sunny out and keeps my scalp from getting sunburned. And this is for my mom for Mother's Day. They have the most precious little vases that are a really good price, and they make a really good gift because, again, you could put like that flower pen in there, something that they can keep and reuse. I do like felt flowers too that are like handmade on Etsy, and they look really beautiful and you keep them forever, or even just for real flowers. For when she's in her garden, she can cut a few roses and put them in there, a little bud vase. This vase I actually got for myself too because I thought with the yellow flower gel pen, it would be perfect to put on my table this year for craft shows for the email sign up list. When you ask people if they want to be part of your email list, you can put a sweet little flower pen in it. And it's perfect for that. And I don't have a bud vase, and I felt like this one was really pretty. I do love to, cut daffodils and hyacinth and all the spring flowers that grow outside, hopefully very soon. This mug is for my sister for her birthday, so gosh, I hope she's not watching this. She loves unicorns, and I thought this was a really cute mug. I love the gold detail on it. And again, the mugs are made in China. They do say dishwasher safe. I usually prefer handmade pottery, but I still think that these were good quality. But it might be a factor in your shopping with them. Like I said, I don't remember them having anything like that made in China before. I think as they're becoming a bigger company, things are changing maybe a little bit. And this last mug was for my daughter for her Easter basket. She had a handmade mug that I showed a few videos back at Christmas that broke and she was devastated. So I found this one for her and I felt like it was super cute. I loved what it said. And it was literally $8. It was on clearance too. They had a really good sale. All of these items together was supposed to be over $120, but between the coupons that they've always given me and the free shipping, I got everything for $82.98, so it's a great deal. Natural Life is a great place to get stocking stuffers, Easter basket fillers, or perfect little birthday gifts. I like to shop there for those kinds of things. Thank you so much for watching today, and take care.